Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Windows Update error 0x8009001d. Provider DLL failed to initialize correctly. So first method, start, then settings, your system, and click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and run on Windows Update. Once this complete, close and restart. Still you are facing problems, so you can try second method. Search CMD, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here type this command sfc /scan now. So type this command line and press enter. And complete this scanning. Guys, it will take couple of minutes, so complete this scanning. Once this complete, restart your system. So hopefully using this simple easy steps we can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching.